Let's make a new exercise in SolidWorks. So let's check the notes. All dimensions are in millimeter. All undefined corner fillets are 2 millimeter. There are many fillets which is going to be 2 millimeter, and some are defined. So we will keep as it is. Material AISI 1020 for educational purposes. Okay. Now let's check these two views, top view and half sectional view. This is half sectional view and this is side view. So we will start with this side view. You will see overall length 140. If you check top view, 50 millimeter is the width. Okay, so we will make this, and you will see these height 48 millimeter in this section view. This is going to be like here. There is a rib. Before rib, we have to make this straight body. These height 48 millimeter. But the problem is there is no angle shown for this taper view. So we will take the help of this rib 70 millimeter from bottom. See, and this upper pipe diameter you will see here 25 millimeter. So this is going to attach with this. So let's try this width 50 millimeter, and the corner fillet you will see 10 millimeter, and there are 4 number of holes with 10 diameter, 120 and 30 millimeter. Let's do it. Either any plane, but front plane is the most suitable for us. Select and here sketch. Now activate line. I am going to draw from here to here. Taper. Press escape key to out. Now here we have to make many relations. First, hold shift key, select origin point and this line and make relation mid plane. Okay. Second relations, hold shift key, select this line and this line, make two relations. One is equal and second one is collinear. This is important relation. Okay. Now select this point, center point of this mid line or mid point of this line, hold shift key, origin point and leave shift key, and you will see this pop up horizontal. Now activate dimension and define 140 millimeter, 7 millimeter. Okay. Okay, for this one we need more dimensions or more length. Okay, these length is defined in drawing. $100 millimeter. Now see here, see 100 millimeter is defined. Now draw one center line, or okay, activate line. Okay, now make one important relation. Select these two lines, make collinear. This is important relation. Now these line attach with a 25 diameter cylinder, so we have to make center distance 25 divided by 2. Okay, and this height 70. Now look, it seems fully defined. Now the last distance from here to here 48. Now look, our geometry is fully defined. Extruded boss base. Now here start condition same, end condition direction 1 mid plane, and here I am going to define 50 millimeter. See, now appearance I am going to change so that we will here 104, 105, 249. Okay. Now activate fillet. Type constant type, symmetric, and fillet radius 10 millimeter. And if I am going to select one edge, it will show you this option. So select the first one and it will select all corners automatically. Say OK. Now here 4 number of holes we need. So simply go to hole wizard, select here hole, metric, drill size, and the hole diameter is going to be 10 millimeter. Here make hole through all. So you don't need to define anything. Take position, and it is asking you select one face. So I'm going to select this face. Okay. Now before going to create points here, better to create one sketch. Corner rectangle. This is better option. For construction, smart dimension. Now this center distance 120, and from here to here make sure it should be half. 120 divided by 2, 30, and this distance also should be half. Okay. Now click this point and activate tool and place this corner point at this corner point. Press escape key to out and see section view. Okay. Look, the hole is created. Now let's make this body. You will see here this taper 15 width, and this height you will see here 40 millimeter, and from end to end distance 95 millimeter. Okay, we will make this. Then we will make rib distance 70 millimeter in both side, and thickness 8 millimeter in both side. Okay, first we have to create a plane. First reference I am going to select this, flip 40 millimeter. Okay, sketch, take normal. Okay, I am going to select corner rectangle, and I am going to start from here. Select the line and center point, midpoint. Width 15 millimeter. Okay. Now we need to, okay, let's mirror this. From here to here 95 divided by 2, 47. Extruded boss base, and here start same end condition, keep up to body and select this face. Okay, simply hide. Now look, mirror. First mirror plane, we have to choose one reference plane which is suitable for this right plane, and second is feature to mirror. Directly select this one and you will see the preview in yellow color. Say OK. Look. Okay, let's create this. 75 millimeter from here, 25 diameter. Then we will create rib. So start from here, sketch, smart dimension, and this diameter 25. Now extruded boss base. Now how much select? Now here overall length 75 minus this height is 48. Okay, that's fine. Front plane, sketch. Now activate line tool and move and connect somewhere here. Smart dimension. Now define 70 millimeter. Exit and go to feature rib. Now look, you will see the preview. thickness keep both sides so that material will be distributed equally in both side. Now what is thickness? 8 millimeter. Now see the arrow direction is going towards body. So keep everything same. Look, mirror. Now first you have to choose a plane. Right plane is the suitable for this. Now feature, what feature we want to mirror? Simply choose rib. Say okay. Look. Now you will see in section view there is a hollow shape. You will see in top view also. Now here see the wall thickness 8 millimeter from side and top. And this gap how much? You will see this side view. 40 millimeter. You will see this dotted line behind. 40 millimeter, 5 millimeter wall thickness from here. If you calculate total 50 millimeter, 45 minus 50 is 5 millimeter. So we will cut depth 40 millimeter, 8 millimeter from top. So let's do this. Front plane sketch. Now activate line tool. And make it close geometry. Okay. Hold shift key, select these two lines. Check parallel. Similarly, I am going to select this side. Parallel. Smart dimension 8 millimeter. See here. Activate extruded cut feature and here select mid plane and direction 1 mid plane 40 millimeter. Cut. Now check. Now according to drawing, evaluate, measure, and if I am going to select this line and this line. Now distance you will see here 5 millimeter. The similarly you will get here also. Now comes here this section. You will see here 60 millimeter from one side. It means 10 millimeter from here. Diameter note down. The outer one radius 25. The inner one 17.5. The last one 12.5 millimeter. And parallelly you will see this view. The first 17.5 radius is going to cut up to depth of 5 millimeter. Then the second one, this last one 12.5 is going to cut up to end of the wall. You will clearly see in this view. And back side there is a 1 R20 radius and this is totally cut out 5 millimeter. Select this face, sketch. Now I am going to draw all these circles together here. Activate line and connect. Escape key to out. Trim entity. Select power trim. Just drag your mouse and trim. Okay. Now activate smart dimension and start. 25. 17.5 millimeter and the last one 12.5 millimeter. Okay, now how we will use this? Activate extruded boss base feature. Now end condition 10 millimeter. Move cursor over outer line. See, this is going to select hole. Solid face 10 millimeter. Say okay. Drop down, select sketch again. Now this time we need to cut. So there is a little catch. Extruded cut. Okay. Just move cursor to this face. and start from this face. Look, this is going to cut inside. Depth 5 millimeter. Here blind. See, 5 millimeter going to cut inside. Say OK. Now again use the same sketch, extruded cut, and I'm going to select the last one, last portion. See, but here we have, here also we have material. So I'm going to start condition, select surface face and select this one, and here select next. Just rotate the body, and next means this inside wall, or even though you can select up to surface, select this inside surface, say OK, and here we go. See, this is what this result I want. And back side, sketch, activate circle tool and start with origin. Press escape key to out, smart dimension, and the radius is 20, means 20 into 2, it's 40 millimeter. Extruded cut. End condition, let's say up to next. Next means the next face of what, from where we are start. Look. Now let's start to make hole. You will see there is a throughout one hole. The hole upper diameter 15 millimeter. Then there is a lower diameter 12 millimeter. This is a counter bore hole. And the counter bore diameter depth 5 millimeter. And this is going to up to, you will see this face. Now we will use revolve cut feature. Front plane, sketch, activate line tool, section view, front plane, OK. Now activate line tool and start from here to this. Now select this line and make it construction, smart dimension 5 millimeter. OK. Now if I move my cursor outside, it will show you full diameter 15 millimeter. Similarly for this 12 millimeter. OK. Now activate revolve cut. Now see this, due to this line, this is construction line, our profile is open, so it is asking you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Look, axis of revolution selected, direction keep blind, and I want to cut 360 degrees, so you have to apply here. Simply say OK, and look, see, now there is a one tabbed hole, M10 into 1, there is a 2 hole. Now pitch for this hole 76 millimeter. See, now here thread dimension 15 and the hole depth 18 millimeter. So go to hole wizard. Here select tabbed hole, standard metric, bottoming tabbed hole, and let me select M10 into 1. Show custom. This is by default going to be diameter for this pitch. Keep blind. Here the depth, it's going to be 18. Okay, and you have to define up to shoulder or up to tip. So we are going to make hole up to tip. Now this is thread 15 millimeter. Now here choose cosmetic thread because I want to see the thread here. With thread call out, go to position, select this face, let me place here. Press escape key to out and make few important relation. Hold shift key, select center point of this horizontal, smart dimension 76. Okay. Now again this half, we have to define half distance, 76 divided by 2. Now it seems fully defined sketch. Check, say OK. Go to option, documents property detailing, and just check the box shaded cosmetic threads. Section view. OK. Now look. Uncheck. Look, these outer corners, all radius are 2 millimeter. Here also, inside also, and this corner also, you will see here. Here also you will observe, inside also observe. See this corner. Even in top, if you see from top view, this rib also, see here, but this corner doesn't have. Okay. This corner also have. So let's try to solve this. Activate fillet, constant size fillet, and make 2 millimeter radius symmetric. Now I'm going to select, don't take all in one shot, otherwise it will be difficult. Now see, I selected something wrong. Again. Select age properly, otherwise it's going to be difficult. Okay, let me select this. We don't want to choose this one, so delete. Delete. Okay, in one shot we will do this one. Okay, let me select this vertical. Even though we can select this also. Okay, let's go inside. Okay. Again activate. Same condition 2 millimeter, and I'm going to select this one. See, this is going to select all edges from inside. Okay, let me choose this edge. Perfect. And this also. But here we don't want. So delete this. Okay, let me try this. Okay, this is going to happen. But before going to make this, delete. This corner you will not get that good. Okay. Now again apply and select this. Don't select face. Okay, this is seems better. Okay, we don't want this. That's perfect. Okay, again apply, and this time let's try this. We don't want this full actually. Clear. Now do one thing, hide this one and apply this. Okay, now open. Okay, okay, this is perfect. We like to keep face like this parallel. We don't want anything here. Now we achieved what result we want to be. Right click, edit material, and steel. AIS 102, apply, close. See, if you want to change appearance, I prefer click color, and from here you can, if you have dimension, you can do it. See, section view. Okay, look. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.